Good morning, Standard 1. Children, today we are going to start our 7th chapter, Computer Storage Devices. Okay. In your previous chapter, I taught you many devices, computer devices. Computer parts chapter I taught you, like monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU box are main parts of computer. Then speaker, headphone, printer, these are auxiliary parts of a computer system. Okay, so I taught you all this. Then we had discussed about the devices which can store data. Okay, so storage devices. Today in this chapter we are going to discuss about storage devices in detail. Okay, so before starting the topic storage devices, first we will discuss about storage places. Storage places we all have in our homes, isn't it? Storage places. Objects which are used to store things are called storage devices. Sorry, storage places. Okay. Generally we have in our house these type of storage places. Okay. Like see, refrigerator. This is a storage place. And what do we store here? All eatable things. So refrigerator, here we store all eatable things like fruits, vegetables and many more eatable things. Means this is storage place to store eatable things, isn't it? Then next is tiffin box. Okay, this is also one storage place. Okay, here we store eatable things which we eat during refreshment break. Okay, in school we use tiffin box. Okay, so tiffin box, it is a storage place and it stores eatable. Here we store eatable things. Okay, now next is cupboard. We all have cupboard at home. In our homes, no? We all have. So what do we store there? We store clothes. Sometimes we store toys and many more things. Like your mother, she keeps jewelry, expensive ornaments and money. Sometimes we keep in our cupboard, almirah, isn't it? So these are some storage places. Okay. Here you see school bag. Okay. So this girl, she is keeping her all books and notebooks in her bag. Water bottle, it is to store water. Okay, it is used to store water. Here this is pencil box. Okay, so in this box we store eraser, sharpener, pencil, color pencils, isn't it? And again this tiffin box. Okay, so these are storage places where we store things. Okay, so storage places are very important, isn't it? Very useful places. Okay, because we need store things, isn't it? Yes. So same way, computer also needs some devices to store data. Okay, to store all work we do on computer, no? So computer stores data or the work we do on computer in the storage devices. Okay, in the storage devices. Here you see computer devices which are used to store data are called storage devices. Okay, are called storage devices. Okay. मैंने ऑन ही नहीं किया था. Computer devices which are used to store data are called storage devices. Okay, so I explained you this at beginning, है ना? Now see storage devices. Okay. So storage devices, first one, pen drive. There are many storage devices. One by one we will see all those. Okay. First of all, pen drive. It is very popular one. Everywhere you see nowadays, people use pen drive. Okay. It is very small in size. You can see SanDisk pen drive. This is another company's pen drive. Don't know its pen company name, but yes, these two are pen drive. Okay. These are very small in size. You can see it. Okay, but it can store huge amount of data. Okay. Good amount of data can be stored in these two pen drives. Okay, and it is so small now we can carry them in our pocket. Understood? So these are pen drive. Okay. Now next is storage devices, CD and DVD. So CD, you can see here CD picture. It is shiny disc. You can see it shows rainbow colors. Its upper surface shows rainbow colors, है ना? Shiny disc, and it is round in shape. It stores data. It also has capacity to store data, but less than pen drive. Okay, I told you pen drive can store huge amount of data. CD also, CD and DVD, these two also can store data. Okay, but not more than pen drive. So it is also small in size, so we can carry them very easily in a bag or small bag. We can carry it easily. Okay, so DVD and CD, these are also storage devices of computer. Next is memory card. Memory card, you can see. Okay, these are very small sizes. Okay, available in market. So these storage devices generally are used in mobile phones. Okay, then digital camera and tablet computer. Okay, it also has good capacity to store data. Okay, here in this small memory card we can store good amount of data, and we can take out these small memory card from mobile phone, and we can attach this memory card to the CPU box of computer. Okay, with a card reader. Okay, that is also available in market, card reader. We can, through the card reader, we can attach this memory card to the CPU box, and we can transfer data from memory card to the computer. Okay, so this is memory card, very useful cards, especially used in mobile phone, tablet computer and digital camera. Understood? So this is third type of storage device. Okay, next is hard disk. Okay, hard disk is just like a box. You can see this picture. This is a hard disk picture. So it's looking like a small box, isn't it? It is internal part of CPU box. Okay, we don't detach it from CPU box. Okay, it is internal part, internal hard disk. Okay, and it has the largest storage capacity. Remember this. So all we had discussed, no, like pen drive, CD, DVD, then memory card, and this hard disk. So hard disk has the maximum. This is the most largest storage capacity disk. Okay, can store huge amount of data. Means in computer, all softwares, computers, all software, all files, folders, we store in hard disk. In hard disk. Understood? No. So hard disk is the very important, very useful storage device of computer. Okay, so these are storage devices. I hope you understood this chapter. Okay, chapter was very easy, very small chapter. Okay, now chapter we have done. Okay, if you have any query, doubts, so you can ask me all those through the WhatsApp group. We have WhatsApp group, so you can ask me your questions on WhatsApp group. And homework, I already sent you some homework. I sent classwork, I'm sending you. Today I'll send you some more question answers. Okay, do all those in your computer copy. Learn. Okay, don't waste your time. Spend your time with your books. Okay. Take care of yourself, children. Bye.